If you are looking to do copy trading setting, then most probably you are new in social trading or pocket option copy trading. And in this video, I will guide you properly on how you need to do the copy trading setting to achieve the results like this. As you can see in my screen, this is one of my VIP copy trader account, and he have made $510 today. Yesterday he have made $826. He doesn't trade by himself, he just copies my trade. And in all time, in 18 days, he have made $7,692. And if you notice, I only make $200 per trade in each trade, each and every day. This is one of the important thing that will decide whether you are going to become profitable or in loss if you copy other people's trade. So let me show you, like if you directly go here in social trading and copy these people randomly, then you are only going to make loss. Why? I will explain you. Let me click on this and show you. The max trade amount is $500 and the minimum trade amount is $1. And here you can see he have made like 153 trades, and lots of people are copying him, and many of them are gone in loss. That's I am sure of, because let's say his win rate is profitable trades is 71%. So maybe he have made 10 trades of $1 and 8 trades were right. So that will increase this win rate percentage. Okay. But if he make one loss in this trade, this percentage will be like 70%, but you will lose good amount of money. That is $500. $8 profit and $500 loss. Now what happens if you copy him 100% or 1% or 2%? The same effect happens in your account, due to which you will go into loss. So that's why it is important for you to find an account that only trades on the same amount of trade regularly, daily, and in each trade. Okay, so let's say if you want to join my VIP copy trading channel, then what you can do is you can join my free Telegram channel. The link will be in the description of this YouTube video. You can join my free Telegram channel and read the instructions there on how you can join my VIP copy trading channel. Once you join my VIP copy trading channel, then you will get a user ID like this. Okay, you'll get the user ID like this, and let me show you in another account. Once you get that user ID, then just go to your social trading and then click on here and then click on search and paste that user ID at here, and this kind of name appears. Now this is not my account, I am just showing you as an example. Just click on it, and let's say he also makes $200 per trade in each trade, each and every day, for example. Okay, now what you need to do is you can just click on copy. Once you click on copy, then this account makes $200 per trade and you also want to copy $200 per trade, then you just put 100% at here. Okay, and leave everything as it is. Some people use stop loss at here. I don't recommend to use the stop loss, because some of my VIP copy trader have complained that if they use the stop balance, then not all of my trades are being copied in their account. I don't know why, but that is frequently happening. That's why I suggest you to not put the stop balance. Instead, what you can do is, in alternative, let's say you have $2,000 in your account and you only want to risk $500 in copying this ID's trades. Then what you can do is you can withdraw your remaining $1,000 and just put the $500 at, you can withdraw $1,500 and just put $500 at here and risk that amount to copy the trade. Don't put the stop balance, so that you copy all of the trades from this account. Now another thing is minimum copy trade amount, maximum copy trade amount. You can ignore this, because if this account is making $200 per trade consistently, then you will also be copying the same amount that you set up in percentage. Let's say you want to copy $200 per trade, then you can make it 1%. Okay, so if this account makes $200 per trade, then you will copy $2 per trade in each and every trade. So there is no need to put any minimum or maximum copy trade amount. But if you want to put, you can put, but again, this can result into not copying some of the trades. So that's why I don't recommend putting anything at here. Let's say you want to copy $20 per trade. So 10% of $200 is $20. You can put 10% at here. Once you are satisfied with your setting, then just click on confirm and you will start to copy the trades immediately. It is as simple as this to do copy trading settings. Please do like this video and have a nice day.